the last video we explained some of the wheel drama we ran into with the Lexus project. It's quite long-winded and we don't really want to go into much detail on it, so just know that this episode starts once we got the new wheels from Lexus, which were a near perfect fit. Got here after driving for about an hour and a half from where I'm based now, so let's see if the wheels fit. Hello! Long time no see!
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, I've got one question for you though, because I just recorded a little bit of an intro by myself.
Okay, I need a haircut.
Do they fit?
Well, they do.
That doesn't sound as optimistic as I hoped.
Yeah, they do, but they need 5 more spaces, which is nothing in comparison.
Can they go on today?
I'm thinking so.
So yesterday didn't go quite to plan. We had to spend quite a bit of time wrenching on the car, so it's the next day now and we're back in the unit and Bob is over there. And what can you tell us? Where's the Lexus? Is it finished? Do the wheels fit?
Hold on. So, I won't say anything about it, we'll just show you. But, we've spent a lot of hours to make sure everything fits and it's really close, but...
Yes.
Oh my god, they're so pretty.
Okay, so how did
it's a long story. I won't go into who failed whom. Let's skip it to the good part. So we've sourced some race forged wheels on eBay, which is, well, it is what it is. They from 350Z. They're not the exact spec we wanted, but they actually look better. So I don't mind them at all. Coilovers need to set up. It still needs a bit of a setup, but other than that, it's pretty much done. So happy days.
Next stage is to give it to Matt.
Yeah. So yeah, he's coming over later. I hope he's gonna be happy with it.
Before passing on the new baby to Matt, we are giving it a quick wipe down as it got a bit dusty sitting in the unit for so long. Vlog.
Mate, I'm just so happy.
Yeah,
this has been absolutely months and months and months of waiting.
Yeah, so Bob is off to pick up Matt, and we're just preparing a little surprise for him. So he doesn't see it instantly, so it's not a bit, oh, here you are, here's the car. We're going to do a bit of a reveal, so Shooter's going to come down. We're going to rev the car up a bit for him behind closed doors, so he can get anticipated for it. And then we will show it to him. Hello.
Camera in your face.
Hi
Hello.
guys. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm amazing, I've got ice cream.
Are you excited about your car?
Am I excited about my car?
Yeah.
From what I've heard, because Bob's mouth don't shut up sometimes, I'm
don't go
awfully
inside.
excited.
Don't?
No, don't go inside. Are you ready to see your car?
I'm nervous, but I'm also excited. I had a little excitement way on the way here, so...
Are you ready?
No.
No? Are you telling me you're ready for him to unveil it?
Yeah, I'm ready, let's go.
He's ready! is yours.
It's just familiar, isn't it? What do you think, mate?
I don't know what to think, actually.
So that is your baby.
That's mine.
That's your baby.
That's mine, guys. Fucking Jesus Christ. Look at them. You need to move it now. Mate, I don't even know what that's like. I'm speechless. I'm actually speechless about that.
Well, we're glad you like it.
No, I love it. That's mine!
That's your car, mate, that's yours. At last, finally. After all those years.
I don't even know what to say. I don't, honestly.
What do you think of the wheels? Right.
I was expecting the alloys to be more banged up for second hand, but they're actually really fucking good, aren't they?
Really nice, mate.
I just don't know what to say. It's like...
We'll just get it a quick wash over because it was filthy, so.
Is it all you thought it was going to be?
It's more. It's more, actually. Look at it. That's mine!
That's yours, man. I'm happy for you. I'm really happy for you.
Yeah, we all are.
I'm actually shaking.
I'm shook, baby.
I'm so happy. I just don't know how to like express myself.
You know what? You need to get you in that. You need to get you in that driving and Adrian reacting to like getting your reaction to it.
Yeah, we need to go for first drive. No, that'll be the best way to express it.
Can I have my ice cream first?
Yeah, it's hot. It's a hot day.
Let's just
Yeah.
But yeah, so while I wasn't here, you guys did a great job because it's even more shiny than it was. It just shines.
Give it quickly.
You're happy.
Yes, I'm more than happy. I don't show my emotions that well because I don't know, it's just something I'm not really used to, but fucking hell, mate.
So, how are you finding your new car?
A lot better than my old one. It's stupid because my last car, I had it for 5 years. It didn't feel as smooth as this. It didn't react as well as this. And yes, I know Bob's put mods on it, and you know we've decided to do it up. But for the money I've paid for this car, but it's so nice.
And your last car was a Volvo, so
yeah,
it's not sort of like super high end, but no, it's a premium class car.
It was a Volvo C30, 58 plate. And I loved the car, I really did, but it just won't give me what I wanted anymore. It just won't fill in that hole I'm missing. This is what I'm missing.
Yeah. So, conclusion, happy with the stuff Rebel Classic have done for you?
10 out of 10, we'll definitely be seeing them again.
Brilliant. Good noise.
I tried to be quiet, mate, but fucking hell. But as soon as Bob were like, you can get bigger brake kit, I'm like, we're doing it. Especially when I slap a turbo in it.
Yeah, so when's that coming along?
All depends what the insurance is like, but hopefully next year. Woo. Well, around about this time, because I literally insured this yesterday.
Summer 2021.